No. I mean, even if we had 30% gap, it's also considered because we're still above those J lines over here on ASTS, so it's still considered our third day. So we need to reset, come back over here to the main support. I never traded BLK, BlackRock over here. And as I said, it will stay more on Tesla. We'll stay on NVIDIA, Apple, and if we say BABA. Also, I'm looking at Agri, ASTS. Personally, I still didn't borrow an ASTS. I'm looking right now. Bear.
Yeah, I'm here.
Thank you.
Right.
I'm starting to borrow STS right now. So the number is this over here. This is SSR.
Oh, okay. Yes,
We have Agri, we have ASTS, we have BABA.
This is SSR. GFAI.
No, GFI, I'm not watching how long. Because yesterday did it for Pierre. So right now, ES is down, support 4263, and Tesla, Apple are fading. Watching over here, BABA, small bounce, looking for more pop and fill the gate. Agri 310, looking for pop and fill at the gate. Yeah, thank you, John. I was looking this morning, Doku, pretty early. I went into here because you remember SSR spikes. Possible spike coming over here, traders. You see how they here in the heat map now it's pushing, right? Look over here. So let's look. Ideally, this 1150. Or this over here, or this over here, but
yeah.
Or this over here. Thank you, Kion. Keep me updated, buddy. I used to be actually enrolled in 3-4 rooms just to see their pumps. I mean, that's a very good strategy, shorting their pumps. But right now, I mean, like, we have like an old room over here. So if you feel to share, that's awesome. Yeah, we have a resistance at 1063, support 1050, which is spoofing, now coming back. Some of these you don't see on Bookmap because they are through ARCA. Unfortunately, no, buddy. I know that they're now working with the connection. This is less days. They're working on connection with Cobra, and even Cobra told me about this. Then the next will be, because they asked me which brokers do you want to be connected. I said Cobra, Centerpoint, and Trade Zero for now. I mean, IB is already there, and they're working on another data feed. Small bounce on Tesla. Oh yeah, buddy. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah, same, but I feel like this is a B setup. So like I should probably use less size on this.
I'm with you, Matt. Those two as well for the small cap land.
Yeah, like reject really fast.
Even this can be another array.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Mhm.
Yeah.
4 minutes to go.
I also want to full size it, but cause like the fundamentals is like, um, they have warrants and stuff. Uh,
Hopefully, we'll see
the
more.
other thing, they have revenues.
ASDS, there were before
yeah.
5 minutes ago, buddy. It's 0.0094, center point as well, almost similar price. Trade Zero, I didn't check. Not bad. So what we're expecting, traders, is basically a blow up, right? So or 11 stuff or 1150 stuff. I need to see the stuff, otherwise I'm not simply entering if this is going up. Thank you, Robert.
I gotta just remember to look at the volume first.
Do you like traders to see over here the 5 minutes? Otherwise, if you prefer, I can put the 1 minute. I mean, oh, Apple down over here. Apple down traders instantly. Tesla down. What the heck? I need to open also with Cardin.
Yeah. Yeah, true. Huh. So you're saying that you don't know what the volume is gonna be? Mm-hmm.
30 seconds to go. Open. Possible bounce over here, traders, on Tesla. Possible bounce on Apple. I bought some on a dip. Selling over here. Super reactive. Bounce on Baba over here.
Angry.
Now we start pushing. Waiting on Baba. Want to see more pop to short. Watching Agri over here.
It's an SSR.
SSR and Agri. Here.
Yeah.
Not still short, not short yet on Baba. Out all on Tesla.
I feel like it's gonna do a bear trap kind of thing on ASTS.
Getting to the pre-market high would be 340. I'm waiting that level here, 340.
Yeah. I'm not gonna do it, but because 1024 has a red heat map for like support. So I feel
Now
like,
fill coming
but it's not a
on
setup, so I'm not gonna do it.
Tesla. I'm all out now waiting. Didn't join on Baba. Big fail on Apple. So watching over here, Apple. Apple possible bounce. Let's see. Big wash over here into this support. Let's put also bookmap up. Baba fading more. Okay, so stay with Baba. Remember, we're looking for a fader. Baba. I want to see for now played at I-50, but I was not there to buy it. Too short it, sorry. 50 pop and field at 1 minute Zalens was super reactive over here. My beer is watching CLSD.
Yeah. Down.
That's a hammer candle on ASTS, but it still seems weak.
So it's bouncing over here, partial on Apple. I took the bottom tickets 157.80 and 158. Selling something now, but too hard to do these trades over here. I saw a main support down here, previous low, and I like to buy these washes. It's bouncing more. Still holding over here, Apple. Selling more Apple.
Yeah, they are.
So looking now for a possible short Apple if we get to the J line. So I'm watching traders over here, CLSD. It's easy to borrow as well. We have to wait that.
Yeah.
CLSD we traded in the past. I'm gonna put over here.
It's not ready. Something.
So Baba support over here. There's something on the support long. Some trading ready to cut very fast if things don't work. The support over here, and now I'm looking for a J-line rejection.
Is the stream cutting out for you, Joel? Could, could,
Not A plus setup, all right? It's not an A plus setup.
oh, okay. Yeah.
SNTG. Thank you, buddy.
Yeah,
Everything is on SSR right now. Everything.
it's true.
SNTG is there.
TG. It's over, but it's okay. Over
Yeah, because it's
the,
this
there, yeah.
still open. Well, let's wait at this pop. SNTG, we have a 5 million float. So reach the top and fade it.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful play, Carford. I'm looking over here at Didi is fading 50 cents on a $3 stock, sick. Perfect.
Yeah.
Still good, buddy. Very good trade.
Totally.
Mhm. Watching GFA now halted. So I'm putting GFA up here. I'm gonna reopen at 44. Remember, they have $3 and $1.30 for the warrants. Okay, so I'm waiting for GFA 130 plus for warrants. Sorry as well.
Perjury.
1 minute to the open for GFA. Thirty seconds to the open. So this morning we had the dip into the Zealands and push. This was a Nanda over. Okay, open.
GFA.
I'm gonna see a 130 to short. $112. So right away, open and soak and dumping. So not in. So support at 110 and 112. Market is pushing up. Tape speeding on Apple, on Tesla, and Nvidia. They're trying to make it bounce. I saw a lot of orders stepping in. Also, yes, bouncing over here. 108, it's about that.
Mm-hmm.
It's about 1 or 2. Okay.
Alrighty.
Come on, GFA, give me 130. $122,
Yeah, I feel you.
126. So we are above the pre-market high. This is an extension play. It's not anymore a gap and extension, right? So I'm playing an extension play. And I'm looking for warrants level plus stuff or para move.
Oh, that's kind of scary though. You see how it's. Oh yeah. No, no, it's we're talking about the same ticker. Don't worry. It's yeah, the spread, because on trade zero, like the spread is making the candle seem super volatile. So maybe it's a good thing you didn't get in.
Yeah, the perfect setup on Tesla. Too short for a recycle, scalp, push into the 90 MA, trend line break. Hope you took it. This was a good one. So I don't remember what you spoke about. Hope you took it. Also, you, Andreas, you, Fred. So MDLD, thank you, buddy. We have an SSR again. It touched the 200 MA on the 5 before. Okay, so remember, MDLD, we already touched the main target, or at least got very, very close. This is like touching target reach. I'm looking for 745, 750. No, don't get out because I say tape weak. It's true, it was bouncing over here. We had a good bounce, but you have to stay with your plan. That's totally wrong. Apple also the same setup. So remember, Apple, we are at the support level over here.
One 20.
Let's look at GFA. I'm waiting on GFA. I want to see a blow up. Remember, SSR high volume. So first of all, SSR is high volume. I will suggest to beginners, don't trade. And of course, I won't call this. Because it's not an A+ setup. So stay with Tesla. Stay with Baba and Facebook, which are giving perfect recycled setups. Tesla, Baba, Facebook. So look always out of the market range, in this case low. You know, look for the 90 MA rejection. And you're looking for the also J-line rejection. Yes, Neem. You should go long when you see a pattern or when you see a dip into the 90 MA and buying the dips, or you should see the J-line rejection, J-line curl up long. Great job, Charlie. Beautiful work on Agri, Carl. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful work. Beautiful work, Charlie. MGLD is still pushing. SSR. So up here.
Yeah.
We're here. I said this paid 40 cents.
Mm.
MGLD. G3 coming. There's a more unwind. Breakdown of the support over here on yes. Next one at 42.50. Now pretty weak over here. Big sell off. GFA 130.
I'm not really trading anything, you know.
Somebody's exercising.
Yeah, I'm just sitting on.
Somebody, I believe, is exercising warrants over here.
But thanks for asking. Thanks for asking. I'm just like, yeah.
So look at GFA.
Yeah, I feel you.
130 rejected instantly. I'm not short yet. I'm not short yet. You see the big silk
what's
130? In order to exercise warrants, they would need to go 130
Yeah,
on the
yesterday,
bid. I
like-
couldn't see if the
like
130
my
was on
bad.
the bid,
Let me
maybe
just
for a
mute the,
millisecond.
Like,
See,
Yeah, yesterday honestly was really stupid for me. Cause the thing that started all of it was when I shorted. Um, it was AGRI. No, no, wait, was it AGRI? But basically, I was looking for a pop and fill, pre-market high. Um, but the volume was too big, and I forgot to look at the volume, and it was also on SSR. So all I had to do was wait for it to squeeze, like have the big, huge like blow off top, and then just shorted it. And if I had done that, I could have made like been green on the day like a lot, cause it faded all the way down after that. No, it wasn't HR. It was Husa, I think. Yeah, it was Husa. Um, yeah. Is it by Anna Culling? Yeah. Like honestly, it was just like after that I could have stopped, but then I started looking for like not A plus setups. So then I could have avoided all of that. But yeah. Yeah. To be honest, I'm looking at all of these like G5 and all these like I could have longed them. Um, like like yeah, that's true. MGLD like the volume's pretty good. Um, like overview app, there's a curl, and it also hit the 5 minute 200. So that's how you know like you shouldn't short it. Mhm. Oh, cause no, cause sometimes like you will do the same thing and then search for another trade and then you'll win on it, and then other times you'll lose on the second. You know. Mhm. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Recording in progress.
Let's see if we can get this J line rejection. Yifei, another curl up.
Still.
So there's somebody supporting over here each dip on Yifei, you can see 120, 121, 123, 124. One 27, still buyers on Yifei. Let's see now here.
Yeah. It's getting a bit crazy.
You see right away we went over the 130 and then immediately slammed down. So we have sellers at this 130. Everybody read about those warrants. The point is for me, it's gonna hold a little bit more. The volume is simply great, okay? So I'm not really looking to short yet. We have a big manipulation over here, still going fluent long. I'm simply waiting.
Yeah.
Doku over here, the J lines. So grab some short. $75.08.
I think it was Doku.
Reclaim the 75. And 90 now. Now I'm risking the break even on
You mean
Doku.
long or? Oh.
Got fill partial on the bid at 70. Now simply risking break even. So you can see the Doku J line rejection here. It's working up 60 cents almost.
That's also a view up projection on a Doku.
Thanks for the call, buddy. Thanks for the call. Beautiful. Let's see if we can have an unwind, some more unwind.
Oh, you only have one share?
Target at 73.50.
Yeah.
So watching for that unwind there. Thank you, D. Almost 1 minute. Jalen's on Grom. Beautiful. Up $1 almost on Doku.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. On ASTS. Yeah, that was good. Cause it was on SSR at first, and I'm like, oh my god, man, Cody, nice. Did you get that? Average 10.08. Sheesh. Yeah, you never know, honestly. Cause I thought it was on SSR, and like, he could do a. Mm. Yeah, so I had borrows on these, but I didn't shoot it either. It was, I don't know, I was scared of it. To be honest, I feel like just that this market maker didn't have enough volume, and so instead of pushing for pre-market high, he just pop and failed it. Mm-hmm.
Curling up again over here, Doku, careful. If you look at GFA traders, we're uptrending. Good level over here for rejection. I'm still not in. Possible three-way fader. Waiting to see if we can get stuff a second time. It's above the pre-market high, so not an A+ setup.
One sec,
Maybe
I'm
I'm
gonna step
skipping
out for a
this.
second.
We'll see. Yeah, same Mary for me.
What's
Exact
good?
same.
What's good? Yeah, for you, for you. Yeah, I feel you. I feel you. Nah. Yeah, it's just one entry. Uh, nah, cause you have targets. So, for example, 1 minute J lines, you take off half, then you look for more, like you trail it, you know. For like gap and extension. Like for gap and extension, like you sell at the 1 minute J lines and then you hold for the 5 minute. No, not sell. I mean cover. You know what I mean? That's what I do, cause of the fees. But like, cause like, cause you can't really, cause you need to, like manage your risk. You know what I mean? Cause like, you're not gonna cover all of it at like one place. Cause like what if it gives you more unwind? But usually J Trader will scale in because he's bigger, right? Like he takes what's it called, feelers. You know what I mean? Yeah, he takes starters, then you'll put on more and more, and then yeah, like he won't always full size it. It's it's very tight. Um, it it depends if it's a feeler or not, cause sometimes his feelers he'll just let them go against him, but that's cause it's like 1/10 size. But usually, cause he's very good at reading the tape and the price action, like he'll just short and then cut, short and then cut, or like long and cut, long and cut. Like as soon as it doesn't go his way, like he'll just cut, cause like he's he's very good with the price action, like I said. Like he emphasizes this very much. Like if you see it not working, just cut. You know what I mean? But that's because he trades small caps. So, but even on big caps, it can be very fast. can't really tell you. It depends on the price action. Usually depending on the price, he'll only risk like a few cents usually. But sometimes he'll have wider risk. It just depends on the stock. And he also risk heat maps, cause you don't have book map, like you can't really see, but there's heat maps, and so he'll risk a heat map. If it starts chipping the heat map, he'll get out. Yeah. Yeah, I can see. Yes. Uh, okay, this is kind of. Can you draw the percentage from the open to the pre-market high? I just want to see. $38. Okay, that's a gap and crap. So this is a short on the golden zone. So the golden zone is the 78 to 88% fib retracement from pre-market high. So like, no, cause I can't draw on your thing. So like, you see at 9:30 where 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 there's those big wicks. That's approximately where the golden zone would be. What? No, not 9:30 because it didn't. No, it depends on the price action, but yeah, near 9:30 because it goes to the golden zone, and you can read the price action. You can see people selling, and and the candles are telling you that they're sellers. So, and usually, you would risk like a heat map because you have book map, right? And so you would risk a heat map. So that's why you can risk really tight. I can't see where you're pointing, by the way. No. No, like I can't see your mouse. You could draw on it, right? Oh wait, now I can see your mouse. That was weird. Where did the picture go? You have to share your. Okay, because when you share your thing, you have to share the actual screen. Wait, one sec. Yeah. No. Because with bookmap, you can see heat maps. So you would risk the heat map. Okay, let me show you. Wait. Look at the picture that I'm about to post. It's this. Like you see the red? He would risk, like you risk that because that's resistance. Like depending on, like the red is liquidity, so like the orders. So you can see there's a lot of people that are, those are the limit orders, right? So you can't see from this, but you have to be in there like live trading this. On level 2 you will also see, right?
Okay, trader. So let's go for the
Bookmap, you
recap.
can see that as well.
Recording stopped.
If you have stocks that you would like I go over or explain, just let me know.
Yeah.
So recap of today.
Recording in
First of all,
progress.
we had NVIDIA. I'm gonna put up over here the plan.
Oh, that's Jay. That's his stream. I
There we
didn't
are.
trade
So
today.
we are looking at the overall weekly trend. This is the first thing I do every single morning. You can look at the monthly, weekly, daily. Then I was looking at NVIDIA, and I said two ways to trade. One is a pop and fill at the gate. So
you
pop and
know,
fill means that
Trade
we want to
Zero.
look over here
They told me
for
that I
a
have
push
to
and then right away down.
make my
And this
account
push
into a
can be
Canadian one.
into our
So
pre-market
now
high
I don't
or
get
into
6
our
to 1
previous
leverage. I
resistance
only
or
get
into
3 to
J
1.
lines, right? And I
That's
can
bad
see, and you can see over
because I
here,
wanted to trade big
pre-market highs
caps
were short on our 515,
as well.
or
Start trading
if we
big
would
caps a
have
little
gone
bit.
above the pre-market highs, dips and J lines curl.
Big caps
So
intraday.
let's review the chart together and see what happened over here. So we have a 5-minute chart over here,
You know,
and this is the open. So you see that the
you
open
know,
we have a pop and
yesterday
fail.
when I started crying,
Up here we have the
um,
pre-market high,
there's this dude that was
and
really
at open
nice.
it basically opens here,
He has a really good
pops
mindset.
just into the J lines. You can see over here, tops into
And
the
he
J
told
lines,
me about
starts
the
fading over
mindset that you
here,
need to have.
and that's your short
You know, like the psychology.
risking this level, and then perfect unwind over here.
It's like
Okay, so this is called pop and
instead
fail.
of focusing so
In
much
this
on the
case,
money, like
pop
the
and
stress
fail,
will get to you,
right?
right? You
Or
need to
J line
focus
rejection.
on
And in
making
this
yourself
case, you have to
better,
be super quick
like your
because
psychology.
you don't have, too many
like
minutes over here to
your-
think. This happens in
Because he's a very
4,
like spiritual
50,
person,
40,
but
50
he's
seconds.
not like religious.
Probably
he's
you
like
have like,
someone
this
that
range over here to
because
short. So
meditation.
you have to be super quick at the gate. Now, what I suggest is
he's
to make
really
a
good
little
at
experience
meditating.
and
right?
look to
And,
trade those setups. Another
And
setup
being
that
in the present
today
moment.
we
'Cause
had was
meditating
Apple.
is about being in the present moment, right? And so
And
not
the
thinking
plan on
about
Apple
anything
was,
bad. Because the
was the
negative
same almost.
thoughts, like straight up, you just
Being
don't
that
think
the
about
market
them.
scenario
Like
for the
you
big
just
caps
live in the
is
present
very
moment.
similar
Like you just
among
don't think
Tesla,
about
Apple,
them,
Nvidia.
you know? And
So
that makes
pop
a
and
lot of
fill the
sense,
gate,
right? Because people
or
with
above the
a lot
pre-market
of
highs looking
anxiety,
for
they
J-line
keep
curl.
thinking about bad
So
things,
yes was
negative
fading.
thoughts.
Yes was fading all
know.
morning. Over here, unfortunately, the pop didn't reach the level of the J lines.
And also, my
So
bad
no
if the
A+
stream
setup
is
trade.
annoying you.
Okay,
I just
we had
gotta
over
look
here
at
just
it.
like a few minutes ago, pop into the 5-minute J lines, and now starts to fade.
What's that?
First target, then stop over here. I see some traders want that I review
mean-
Tesla.
You know the email
Okay.
you sent me?
So Tesla,
The one about the
Let's
day
see.
trading zoo. You are like day trading
two ways to
zoo
trade pop and
because you
fill
don't
again.
marry
So looking for that
the
market
thing he
scenario
was
where we
talking about,
open
like the
below
looking
the
at the
J lines.
charts
Right away
by
we start
eye.
to push back up. We didn't get to the
'Cause you were
1-minute
trying
J
to
lines.
do
We
it by
got over
stats,
here to the
which
5-minute J lines.
doesn't
So
work.
this is a
Like,
B grade
like,
setup.
like there's too many
So you can
stats and
nibble
it
over here some
changes all
short.
the time.
And then we had some recycling
So you have to,
with the
you know,
90 MA
like you said it yourself.
and
it's like more
with a pattern. So
discretionary.
if you go back to a 1-minute chart
That's why reading tape
over
and,
here, just put
and-
like
and
in white to
understanding
show
order
you.
flow is really
We can see
important.
several bear flags over here.
Because
You
right
see
now
one,
humans are still better than
and then you can
robots.
see another one
know
over
what I mean?
here. So start looking for point of reversals. And after these point of reversals will be together with basically book map. So you will see over here a heat map. You'll see over here another heat map, another heat map. So you can start like, nibbling some short and then cover partial, nibbling some short, taking partial, recycling, taking partial. And until this makes lower high, lower
Okay,
lows,
so
you can continue to stay
in
with
the
a
J
core
Trader
inside,
room, there's
the
a lot of
trade.
really, really good traders. This is one dude called
Let's see if
OTC.
traders.
He has this
Okay, Baba.
this
Baba, I think, is
platform
the one
called
that
Sierra
plays the best.
Charts. It's a lot more advanced, but it's very hard
So
to
this
use
morning,
because it's very
plan
complicated.
with this one.
But the level 2 on it is much better. It's even better than Bookmap because Bookmap is like
And
an
we shared this
overpriced
in the
kind of
streaming.
thing. It's like
In the pre-market
what
streaming
Bookmap
in the room.
is it just visualizes
looking
the level
for
2 for you.
A fader.
but it also
The reason
gives you
why
more
is
info
because
because
2 days
limit
ago,
orders,
over here we
right?
had
That you can't
between Wednesday
see.
and Thursday with
But
this
Bookmap,
Jalen rejection started fading, so making lower highs,
Bookmap
lower
is
lows.
not as
And this
good
stock is simply
because
bleeding since months, right?
it doesn't have
So just over
ARCA,
here in
so
November,
it
we
doesn't
were
actually
at
give you
169.
all
Now we are at
like
90.
all
On a
the
5-minute
orders,
chart, gave a perfect
all
setup.
the
So this is a beautiful
all the
over
order
under
flow,
or
because
pop and fail. This is an amazing
there
setup,
can
really
be like
amazing
hidden
load in the boat
sellers, you
setup.
know,
Uh,
stuff like that.
you start taking your trade over here
And so like
into
you wouldn't
the
be able to see
92
them,
and
but Sierra
50,
charts you
or
get
even at the
everything.
top
You
over
can
here if you're
like
fast
the
enough
level
in the
2 is much
93.
more advanced,
We're
right?
risking
And
the
this
level
dude,
over
he
here,
knows how
and
to
then you
top
can see
pick
each bar
because he
makes
uses
basically a
Sierra
lower
charts.
high.
Like if you
You
look
don't
at his
really need to
charts,
cover until you get over here.
he's straight
So
up
this is a
top ticking,
perfect
and he
downtrend
can top tick
using the
because he
daily chart,
understands
using also the hourly chart,
how the
using your
market
levels, and
makers
using
work,
Bookmap.
and he
So
uses Sierra charts
stocks like Baba are the
to,
best to trade.
he
Now we don't
uses Sierra
know
charts to
which
help him
stock will
top tick
unwind that
with the
day,
level 2,
the most. But
and he
what
has
we
a
know
lot of
is
experience,
that
and
this is a fader on
he's
the
like
weekly, is a
huge, like
fader on
his
the
size
daily,
is
is a fader
huge,
on the hourly. So what we're gonna do,
right?
we're gonna keep an eye on
Like
these
hundreds
if
of
we want to look to
thousands,
short them, because this is
hundreds of
simply like
thousands,
unwinding
right?
since months. Okay, so these candidates are the best. Like for example, Pitton in the last 6 months. So I've seen some very good trades today. So congratulations for
That's it.
managed a very good
That's
killing
it.
Friday. We close the week
Yeah, I
with
feel
a
you,
high win
man.
rate.
It's hard.
We have
I
GFA
get you.
still in play this morning. We have also
It's
Grom, so
really
we're
hard.
talking about small
You know,
caps.
it's really
We have over here
demoralizing.
also
Cause like
CYTO.
I took like a
Again,
$80 loss, right?
another
But it
small cap
with all
extending.
the locates and
And
shit, it's like
what I suggested
120.
during the weekend is start
And that's for
retrading. It's a
everyone.
very
Like
good
it's
feature
not
that you
only
can
me.
find on Trading Sim. Because
Like
that
everyone
really improves
complains
your
about
skills
it,
of
and I
timing.
guess like everyone
Focus
has
on a few
problems,
setups as
I
well,
guess.
1 or 2 setups,
You know.
and then start making the plan for Monday and for the next week.
Yeah.
Be prepared when you come to trade. Again, trader, was a very good week. I had only one loss yesterday on Agri, and more than 90%
But
win
you
rate. So
know,
I'm pretty satisfied for the week.
what's it
Seems
called?
crazy, but it was like that.
So the dude that I told you
And
about,
thank you very much
Mugen,
for
that's
following
his
over
name.
here.
He told me
Study. Remember, we
that
have
it's okay
really
to
1 or 2
cry.
plays for
You know, like you don't have to
mentoring
be
left
like super
in
strong.
April.
Like you
And
just gotta let it all out. You know,
I'm gonna start like
like
April, and then probably another
it's
one in August
understandable.
if I
You know,
can
cause
do
like
that.
cause
So
trading
trying to focus on few members and
is
dedicating my
super
time
hard,
to
right?
them.
Cause you seem like a
Thank you,
smart
traders.
dude.
See you next time,
You know,
and have a good day.
you were at the top of your class, and it's still like messing with you. And the institutionals, right? Like they go to Ivy League schools, they go to all this. Like they have, you know, cause like they're manipulating it, man. Like, cause they have the money. Okay, cause when they pump up a stock, they're investing money to pump it up, right? So if their pump doesn't work, they can lose money. So their pump actually has to work, right? To like trap the retail and stuff. So, and they're manipulating it like that. Um, so it makes sense, man. It makes sense, you know. And it's not like you can join them. Like, how the hell are you gonna know that they're gonna like pump it? Like you can, like the chance, like there are like signals, but it's not like you can be consistent and like joining them like when they're accumulating. You know what I mean? So yeah. Yeah. Yes, man, you too. Hello. Hi, Lily.